so this is the first base of head model brain portion.
And we're gonna go up to here for this video.
Down to number 24, pyramid of medulla oblongata.
Okay, so this is the front, this is the back, so I'm being very scientific. Yeah, frontal lobe is right here. Parietal lobe on this, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe, and then I'm gonna take this off. And inside here is the choroid plexus of the lateral ventricle right here.
Okay.
Where it's number 6. Yeah, it's supposed to be a 6. Like if you, it's supposed to be a 6 right there. That's the, so you know the stuff that makes the cerebrospinal fluid. And then we found the hippocampus. I have to take the stem out. It's this guy right here. This is the hippocampus for extra credit. Next to the choroid plexus.
Is it actually numbered?
Yeah, if you flip him around so that this is the... so that's number 9.
Okay.
So that's one of the ones that actually does match.
Yeah.
Alright. And then if we go back to our top bits of the cerebrum, corpus callosum right here.
Right.
And then I have to flip him upside down for this. Yeah. I'll disorient it now.
Okay. This model is a little challenging.
If you flip them upside down, your olfactory nerves are right here. They're not painted well on this one, but you know, this right here, what I'm outlining, that's the olfactory nerves. And then we're gonna go down into the cerebellum. We know this guy. So he's right there, just there on Smiley.
Yeah.
Arbor vitae, right here. And then you put this guy together for the vermis.
Which part is considered the vermis?
It's the connection between the two halves of the cerebellum is the vermis.
Okay.
And then the fourth ventricle is just gonna be like right there in between the, see? Like right in there.
Got it.
And then we go to the brainstem. Alright, so we're gonna rip him open. He was like that and then like that. So the thalamus is this little guy right here. And then the hypothalamus is down here on each side. I gotta put him back together for the optic chiasma, right? Is this guy right? And then the infundibulum is not super clear here, but it's like
Where it would attach.
right here. This is the pituitary, and then that's the infundibulum right there. And then if you open up, pineal body's right there. And then the third ventricle is, the thalamus encloses the third ventricle, so it'd be right up here. And then I'm gonna put him back together for cerebral peduncle is this guy on each side. And then the corpora quadrigemina is this guy, looks kind of like a weird butt. Cerebral aqueduct, we're gonna open in here. The cerebral aqueduct going down from third to fourth ventricle right there, that passageway. Put him back together for the pons. Pons. And then spinal cord on this one is indicated down here. So the spinal cord.
Oh, right.
Because what Miss Fowler said is the moment it leaves the foramen magnum of the skull, it's going to be the spinal cord. So the, like basically the extended bit of the medulla.
Right.
And then going back around, medulla oblongata, the pyramid of the medulla oblongata, the olive, and
Hold on, let's get into there. Okay.
the olive of the medulla oblongata, and that's our first video.
Okay.